Ready to take your TikTok automation to the next level? With JarveePro 2, TikTok is now natively integrated. No more switching between modules or complicated setups. It's faster, smoother, and comes with a sleek new interface designed. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Watch Video campaign. And all other TikTok campaigns follow the same simplified logic. Let's dive in. Add a category to group accounts. You can manage accounts for different clients or from different country. Import your TikTok accounts from a TXT file first. I'll use cookies, JSON. The format should be per line a cookie. You can learn more about how to import accounts and proxies in the former video on our YouTube channel. Next, open the Proxy Manager to import proxies. You can now import proxies from IPFarming with just one click. Then bind proxies to your accounts. Now click Start to check accounts, then it auto-open multiple browsers to log in accounts and close browser when login successfully. No manual intervene needed. After verifying your account, go to the Campaigns page. Choose the campaign you want to create. Check the account and add the video link. Then set up how many times to play each account or video. You can also like, favorite, and share after playing the video. Click Start to start the campaign to auto-watch videos upon your settings. That's just the beginning. Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I'll be dropping more powerful TikTok tutorials using JarveePro 2, and you won't want to miss them. See you in the next one.